Hello students, welcome to this video of your online English class. In this video, we are going to discuss the second part of the story Krishna and Sudama as given in your English reader book on page 69. Now in the last video, we had discussed that Krishna and Sudama were best of the friends during their days at Gurukul. Krishna grew up and became the king of Dwarka, and Sudama remained as a poor Brahmin. Sudama married a very noble lady and had many children. Often his family had to live without food. सुदामा इतने गरीब थे कि अपने परिवार को खाना तक नहीं दे सकते थे और कई दिन उन लोगों को भूखा ही सोना पड़ता था. So Sudama's wife requested Sudama to go to Dwarka and meet Lord Krishna so that Krishna would help them. Accordingly, Sudama agreed. He took a bundle of puffed rice as a gift for Krishna and went to Dwarka. On the way, he wondered whether Krishna would recognize him or not. सुदामा के मन में हमेशा ये डर था कि पता नहीं कृष्ण जी उन्हें पहचानेंगे या नहीं पहचानेंगे. When Krishna received the message that Sudama had come to meet him, he rushed out of his palace and hugged Sudama lovingly. कृष्ण जी को जैसे ही पता चला कि सुदामा आए हैं, वो भागे भागे चले आए और सुदामा जी से गले मिल लिए. Krishna's wife Rukmini also welcomed Sudama very warmly. Now, let us read in the next page what happens. Together, they washed his feet, made him sit on a throne, and served him a sumptuous meal. Sudama felt ashamed of the puffed rice he had bought for Krishna. But Krishna saw the bundle, snatched it from Sudama, and ate the rice with great relish. Now here throne means the seat, the royal seat of a king. You can see here Sudama is sitting on the throne of Lord Krishna, and Krishna is washing Sudama's feet. Sumptuous, sumptuous. Sumptuous means very rich and tasty, splendid. खूब स्वादिष्ट खाना. Another word is snatched. Snatched means to take suddenly without permission. छीन लेना, बिना बताए छीन लेना. We have another word, it is relish. Relish means to enjoy, and relish as a noun means great enjoyment. तो कृष्णा एंड रुक्मिणी ने सुदामा जी का बहुत अच्छे से स्वागत किया. दे वेलकम्ड हिम वेरी वार्मली. दे टुक हिम इनसाइड द पैलेस. दे मेड सुदामा सिट ऑन द थ्रोन. सुदामा जी को सिंहासन पर बैठाया. दे वॉश्ड हिज फीट एंड दे सर्व्ड हिम ए सम्पचुअस मील. उन्हें बहुत ही स्वादिष्ट खाना परोसा गया. Sudama felt ashamed of the puffed rice, but Krishna saw it. सुदामा जी को बहुत शर्म आ रही थी कि मैं कुछ नहीं लाया हूँ कृष्णा के लिए और सिर्फ ये पफ्ड राइस है मेरे पास. बट कृष्णा ने उसे देख लिया और उनके हाथों से छीन लिया और बहुत चाव से, बहुत ही मज़े लेकर उस राइस को, पफ्ड राइस को खाने लगे. नाउ लेट अस रीड फर्दर व्हाट हैपन्स नेक्स्ट. Sudama stayed with Krishna for a long time, but not even once did he ask for any help. Finally, he took leave of Krishna and left Dwarka. When he reached his village, he was surprised to see a beautiful house at the side of his hut, and his wife came out to receive him with wearing beautiful clothes and jewelry. So, after staying for some days with Krishna, Sudama now prepared to leave Dwarka and go back to his house. He could not ask for any help from Krishna. कृष्णा जी ने इतने अच्छे से उनकी देखभाल की, इतने अच्छे से उन्हें सम्मान दिया कि सुदामा जी कुछ भी नहीं कह पाए कि वो उनसे क्या चाहते थे। इसीलिए सुदामा जी ने कृष्णा से कोई भी मदद नहीं मांगी। But when he reached his village, he was surprised to see that his hut was gone, and in place of his hut was a beautiful palace, a huge building, and his wife and children were wearing rich clothes and jewelry. जब सुदामा जी अपने गांव पहुंचे तो उन्होंने देखा कि उनकी झोपड़ी गायब थी और उनके झोपड़ी के जगह पे एक बड़ा सा महल खड़ा हो चुका था, और उस महल के अंदर से उनकी पत्नी और उनके बच्चे खूब कीमती कपड़े और गहने पहन करके निकल रहे थे। सो मन ही मन सुदामा जी को ये समझ में आ गया कि कृष्ण जी बिना कुछ कहे ही उनकी सारी बात समझ गए और उनकी मदद उन्होंने चुपचाप कर दी। कृष्णा helped Sudama without even telling Sudama anything about it. That was how a true friend like Krishna helped Sudama. This is how the story ends. Now you read the story carefully, attentively, and try to answer all the comprehension questions and write the meanings in your notebook. Now let us discuss some comprehension questions. Question number 1, it is also given in your exercises. How did Krishna help Sudama? Answer: Krishna hugged Sudama lovingly and took him inside the palace. Krishna and his wife washed Sudama's feet, made him sit on a throne, and offered a sumptuous meal. Question 2. How did Krishna help Sudama? Answer: Krishna turned Sudama's hut into a beautiful house. He also helped him with a lot of wealth, rich clothes, and jewelry for his wife and children. With this, we come to an end of this discussion on Krishna and Sudama. Hope you like it. Please read the lesson carefully, attentively. Write down all the comprehension questions and word meanings in your notebook and prepare the lesson well. Thank you. Please like this channel and subscribe it for more English lessons. Thank you once again. Have a nice day.